Hello friends, in this video I am going to unbox and review Crocs flip-flops. So it comes in an attractive packaging like this. You can see the Crocs branding and everything. So let me take it out. This is a white color one I have ordered. So once you open that, you can see that there are two cushions is given, like just to maintain the foam. That is a thoughtful action from the company. So let me take it out. And this is from the top view, it looks like this. From the side view, you can see that the black stripe looks very attractive. From the back side, you can see there are Crocs branding, which makes it even more premium feeling. This is how it looks from different sides. From the back side, it looks like this. Now let's see what are the good things about what I have found. Here you can see there is a nice hanger they have given with that green color, obviously the branding thing. Here you can see the branding here also, in the bottom also branding is mentioned. And there are nice projections here which feels really good, and when you press it, it feels really nice. I have tagged the product in the video so that if you want to purchase, you can purchase it. And here this can be good for your sensitivity of your feet and maybe good for blood circulation. That you can check in the video link. And here you can see the Crocs branding as well as size of the shoe, like M11 is the size of this flip-flops. And the gripping is quite projected and it is very comfy too, and it can be a good option for indoor and outdoor use. So this is how it looks from the front. Overall the product looks and feels really good. It can be a good addition for your day-to-day ventures, and you can see that different product information is given, how to use it, how to take care of it. Most of the steps are given here. The another important stuff I felt is it's really lightweight, so it is very comfortable. It is very light, not bulky. It's like very slim, so it can be a good option for your day-to-day use. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.